Ay, 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 ay.
Hi guys, welcome to another video. Welcome back to another video. Hey, welcome back to another video. 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 Hello and welcome back to another video. Hi, welcome back to another video. I'm Tom, and let's begin by taking a look back to January the 1st, 2021. We started the year with 51 subscribers, 1.02k views and 12 uploads. Now if we take a look back into the channel, we can see that the most viewed video of 2021 is how to make buttermilk in 3 different ways. At the time of making this video, the video has a total of 10,467 views and a whopping 271 likes. The video also brought the channel 107 brand new subscribers, which is, yes, it's perfect. So much more has happened on the channel too, including tomato focaccia, roast milk in 3 ways, garlic butter in 2 ways, flapjack with white chocolate and cranberry, ginger spice honeycomb, buttermilk pancakes, lamb chops with homemade mint sauce, hot cross buns and loaf, hasselback tofu potatoes, proper teaside palmos, spicy potato wedges, chocolate and hazelnut tart, creamy garlic mushrooms, rhubarb, raspberry and rosé crumble, summer garden salad, pickled beetroot, had a portion of chicken both raw and cooked, light and dark chicken stock, 3 tomato chutney, crispy kale chips, and finished the year on classic lemon meringue pie. Now after all of those videos, we've had some pretty good results. We've gained 323 subscribers, 38.7 thousand views and uploaded 35 videos. And I've recently discovered that 98.3% of you are not subscribed. So if that's you, you know what to do. Thanks for all the support in 2021. Here's the playlist so you can check out any videos that you might have missed. Stay mint and I'll see you in 2022.
Ay, ay.